so I just got this new Mac Tools service cart to replace my Matco Tools one, and it's $1,000 more expensive, but it's an upgrade. And so one of the first things about it is it has this rail system where you can add brackets for like holding aerosol cans. You can add like a trash bin or a dirty rag bin on it, and different tool holders, and you can also expand it and put a side cart on it. So it's 5 drawers, it's 20 inches deep, 44 inches high, and 36 inches or 37 inches wide. And so first off, it's brand new, so it's a little stiff. It's got these top bills with a gas strut and extra storage there. It's got it on both sides. Pretty cool right there. So that's essential for the work I do. I'm working in a transmission shop and I'm always underneath a vehicle. So to have a cart that opens like that is essential. But I want to show you this. So you slide it and it has a mechanism that actually pulls the drawers. It prevents it from slamming shut, and it pulls it and it closes on its own. All the drawers do that. So I've got this one here, and you can't really see the mechanism here, but it does the same thing. See, it pulls by itself. All the drawers do that. It pulls in by itself. And they're guaranteed for life. And so it's got 4 swiveling casters with a brake on each one, and the tires are rubber and tapered so they don't jam up on rocks or debris on the floor as you're rolling it around. And so inside of it, it has a port where you can run power inside of it if you need to. There's a locking mechanism there where you can lock the drawers and have the open bay, or you can close the top lid, lock it, and have the drawers accessible, and just having this as a work surface. So over here it has pry bar or extension ports, picks, screwdrivers, what have you. And if you see down there, there's a hole where you can have really long accessories going down in there. And so I keep my most used impact stuff up here in the top. And I just got this too. Now it has a light that actually goes on it, but I've got it on a charger. This is 700 foot-pounds, 3/8 impact. And then of course I've got my older tools in here. And so in the top drawer, I just keep my most used wrenches in here, ratchet wrenches, and then it's all metric. I mainly use metric. In here I got some of my chrome ratchets, my electric impacts. I just bought this one too, Mac Tools. And I can't remember what the torque rating on this was. I think it's, I'm not sure. Not sure what the torque rating was on that. Just love that it closes by itself. And in here I've got hammers, I've got some seal pullers, flower turner, 1/2-inch ratchet, my pliers, and of course my gloves. And then here, bump starter, some pry bars, axle nut sockets, and additional prying tools. And then down here I just got some junk, some transmission. I work in a transmission shop, but yeah, I'm really pleased with this. It's a very impressive cart. It was expensive. It's Mac, but what got me too is this: made in the USA with global parts, global materials. They're pretty proud of that. They put it on the back side too. I'll show you. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. It's pretty funny. But anyways, that's it. That's my Mac Tools service cart. I'm pretty pleased with it. Yes, I am. It's all about that, all about making money, and this is part of it. That's right. Thanks for watching.